This is just a quick demo of the EZLeadCapture Quick Page Builder. The first step of the process is to give your page a name. I'm going to call this QB Demo 1, and I'll go ahead and enter that down here as well, QB Demo 1, and then I'll click Go to Step 2. Now I need to choose a template. There's several options here. You can preview any of them by clicking the Preview button. I'm just going to go ahead and select this first one, which is called the Warning Template. And I'm now proceeded to Step 3, where I need to choose a background for my page. We have lots of different options available, whether they're background tiles or full-size images. I'm going to go ahead and choose the cartoon beach background. Step 4 of the process is to add a video to your page. This is an optional process. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. I'm going to go ahead and add a YouTube video, so I'll just check the YouTube box. It's asking me for the YouTube video code. I've already got one ready, so I'm just going to paste it in there. I'll show you how to do this in another tutorial, but you can get these codes from YouTube really easily. Width, I'm going to set the width to 400. Shadow position, just adds some nice shadowing effects to the video player. I'm going to put that on the bottom. And then the skin frame, I'm going to go with the default, which is brushed metal. And then my autoplay, I'm going to set that to no. We don't want the video to autoplay when someone opens the page. And then last but not least, we have this video tag down here. It says squiggly bracket video _ 3 squiggly bracket. We just want to remember that when we get to the next step. So let's go ahead and click Go to Step 5. And here we've got our page in the editor, our background. I can now customize content on the page, customize the headline. I'll just make it simple. Earn $100 a day, learn how now. And then it tells me to add my video tag into this space. We're going to go ahead and add that video _ 3, and then we have the contact form text here. I'm not going to do any further editing to this page. I'm just going to scroll to the bottom and click Go to Next Step. And now we can select the questions we would like to ask our prospects. By default, it's asking for a first name and an email. I'm going to go ahead, for the sake of this demo, and ask for a last name, a phone number, and a best time to call as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the next step. The last step of the process is to choose your thank you page setup. And this is where your visitors are going to be redirected to after they submit their information to your contact form. Now by default we have an HTML thank you page set up. It's got a default message on there. You can change this message to whatever you'd like. You can also select our custom redirect feature, which will redirect your visitors to a website or presentation or video of your choice. You just need to enter in the URL. And then the final option is a download page. And this is a page where you could set up a download, such as a PDF or a special report or a white paper, and have that delivered to your prospect. So for this demo, I'm just going to keep with this HTML thank you page. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click on Finish. And as you can see, our setup is now complete. It says our page URL is. I can go ahead and click this, and it gives me a preview of my page. And aside from some minor customizations with the form, as in customizing this text and the submit button and maybe the colors, this page is pretty much ready to go. Just for the sake of this demo, we'll switch back to the previous window and I'll go through these options with you. It says right here, not quite done editing. So you can edit your page content here in the lead page editor. You can edit your form appearance here. You can edit your form questions here. And you can edit your thank you page setup here. Last but not least, you can set up your autoresponder, and this is optional. It's included with the system. Some people use the autoresponder, some people don't. If you do want to use it, the instructions to set it up are right there. So with the EZLeadCapture Quick Page Builder, you can get a squeeze page up. They're mobile friendly. They work on iPads, tablets, PCs, desktops, and you can have one ready to go in less than 2 minutes.